Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Guess what, guys? The holidays are coming up and they're almost here. And for the holidays, we're going to make a wonderful warm cinnamon rose. We're going to make two different types, one with nuts and one without. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, let's go over some of the ingredients. I already got them all out and I already got them all fixed up so we can go over them. You're going to need 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of table salt. Okay, with the 4 cups of flour is what we're going to need. I'm going to whisk this with my famous whisk. We're going to add that teaspoon of salt into our flour. Get this out of the way. And we're going to whisk this up and make sure that flour and that salt is evenly whisked with everything. This is 1 2/3 cups of milk. And you want to get it about 110 Fahrenheit. With that warm milk, I got 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, I've got a room temperature egg. So set your egg out before you go and start making these rolls. I'm going to add this 1 large egg in there. And I'm going to beat this egg up with this milk. 2 teaspoons of good vanilla. So you want to get vanilla extract or pure vanilla. Now, we need 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. We're going to go ahead and pull that in there. And we're going to also mix this up really, really good. This is your instant yeast. You need 2 packs of these. We're going to go ahead and roll this in here. Okay, that's the second pack in there. So we're going to just kind of like stir it a little bit. And we're going to let this sit for a while. Okay, I'm going to pour all this goodness inside my dough, getting everything out with my spatula here. I'm going to start to mix. Okay, I got a little flour. I cleaned this very thoroughly, and I'm going to take this out and I'm going to knead it really sticky, and it's going to come out and get all on my board. There we go. Got the little flour in my hand, and I'm just going to start kneading this. As I smooth that down and I kneaded it is good, I'm going to put this right back in here. For an hour, you want to cover this up with some plastic wrap. Put it to the side. Let it hang out for an hour. Let's let it rise while we make our filling for our cinnamon rolls. Real low heat, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/3 cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to take and I'm going to beat it down. And I'm going to make sure I get this nice and melted. We're doing 1/4 cup of half and half milk. And we're going to swish this around. And then I'm going to take my whisk and I'm like making sure that sugar is completely dissolved in here with this milk. I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. If you want some ground, really good ground cinnamon, I'm using about 1/4 teaspoon of really good fresh ground cinnamon. Okay, and you want to mix this really good in here. Add some pecans, and these are whole pecans. I'm just going to take a handful, and I'm just going to put it in there. Not too many, but not too less. And I just want to, like candy, do these nuts. 1/4 teaspoon of bourbon. You don't have to put bourbon in it, but it's just 1 little 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to put it on the side. Just want a little bit of that just to give it a little bit of flavor. You don't have to have a lot. And the kids are not going to die from this because it's getting cooked out. Okay, I have my sauce here. I'm going to stick this in the pan after I sprayed it with a nonstick spray. You all didn't see me do that, so I'm just telling you. I sprayed it with a nonstick spray, and you see the butter in there. I did it with a butter spray, or you can do it with an olive oil spray or whatever you have available. It's just a nonstick spray, and I'm putting this in here, and I'm trying to get all of this. And I want to just spread this out like so. Making sure that everybody gets a little bit of the nice candy on here. I got 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's been setting out to get lukewarm. I've got 2 cups of sugar. This is confectionery sugar, and I'm going to put half and half, and I'm going to beat slowly, very slowly. Now I'm going to dump the other mixture of my confectionery sugar in there and getting all of it in, and I'm going to mix it up there with that butter. One teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 tablespoon of half and half milk. Add more as you go. If you think you need a little bit more, just add it. So this is about 2 tablespoons now. So I'm just going to add as I go. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. All right, you can tell it doubled in size. Great. We're going to pull these babies out. Okay, I got a little sprinkle of flour that goes down on my board. All right. Okay, I'm going to roll out my dough. And just like a pizza dough, you want to roll it out. You don't want to roll it out really thin, but you want to roll it out about a 1/4 inch. Okay, I've got some nice soft butter that has been out. And I'm getting my little brush because I don't want that butter on my hands. So I'm just going to take this butter. And I got about a stick of butter out just in case. But I'm only using like a couple of tablespoons, maybe 5 or 6 tablespoons. Okay, now, speaking of hands, I'm using it. I've got this brown sugar, fine grated brown sugar, and I got some good brown sugar. Make sure you get some nice soft brown sugar. Try to look for the best that you like, or hey, I always say whatever's on sale. That's what you look for, whatever's on sale. Okay, we're gonna get that on the edges. You remember I told you all, get it on the edge. Nobody want no dry cinnamon roll. Everybody want. That's a little flour. That little flour got on there from what I have. But that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. I got me some great cinnamon, real grounded like cinnamon, fresh cinnamon, and I'm just gonna sprinkle on here. Okay, I'm gonna start rolling this. I cut that end off and I just smashed it down like that, like a cinnamon roll. Okay, everybody. Now, the next thing that I do is I just take the butter and I just go all around the cinnamon roll on the sides and everything. And then see this? This is my cinnamon sugar already on there. And I'm just going to toss this. And I'm going to, because that butter is going to keep that on there. Then I'm just going to put these in here like that. Okay, so I'm gonna let these sit again. I'm gonna put a little top on it, set these to the side, and let's start doing the other ones. These are the butter ones. I got different sizes. It don't really make a difference. I'm a different type of girl. I'm a different size person. I just do whatever. There we go. I'm just gonna take that little sugar, brown sugar, on mine and just lay it on top of here. All right, I'm gonna take these very interesting buns and I'm gonna put the top on them. I'm gonna let them sit over there and rise. Okay, here they are. They doubled in size. So let's put these both in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. If your oven cooks a little bit faster, try to check in about 15 or 20 minutes. It depends on how long your oven. Preheat your oven, because sometimes when you preheat your oven, it cooks a little faster. Everybody's oven's different. Let's pop these in. My first one's going down with the pecan glaze at the bottom. And then this is our regular cinnamon rolls. Let's give these about 30 minutes. All right. As slow as I can get. Look at that. Okay. Then we're going to lay some icing that we made all over these cinnamon buns. Got me one here. And that is my cinnamon roll. Hey, I've got them on my summertime spring plate. Oh, and then there we go. And if you want to, you can put icing on them if you want, because they're already kind of sweet. Let's take a piece of this. Look at that. Oh my God, these are really good. Okay, so these are my, I guess they call them sticky buns, but these are my sticky buns, the way I make them. People make them different ways. I make it my way. And this is my regular cinnamon buns with regular icing, nothing fancy. This is great for the holidays. I always make these for the holidays. Christmas, Thanksgiving, it's great to have somebody come over, eat a great dinner, and they might not want anything really fancy, and you might just want to get a little cinnamon bun or a cinnamon roll. Any way you want it, you can have it, and you can get it done on Thanksgiving, on Christmas, on the holidays. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Because guess what? I didn't make this alone. You and me, we did this together. And we can make plenty more dishes. Hey, come back next time so we can make plenty more. See you next time. Bye.